welcome back to my channel Colorful Threads English. Today I am going to show you a very beautiful and very lovely baby frock. This frock is for 6 months to 1 year baby, and if you want to make any frock for your baby then you can try it. I have made it in 2 color. If you want to make it then you can use multicolor also. So let's start the video friends, but before starting the video I have a request that if you are new in my channel then please subscribe my channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon to get the notification of my new videos. Here I have used 125 gram green color wool and 100 gram cream color wool. Measurement of frock is 16 inches around the chest, 8 inch in the front and 8 inch in back side. And if we measure it in centimeters then it is at 23 centimeter in front side and 23 centimeter in back side. So this is the proper measurement. If chest size is 16 centimeter then you can make this frock. I have made total 6 frills in my frock and this is the inner look of the frock. The length of the frock is 13.5 inches. The length is 13.5 inches. So I hope you will like the video. If you like it then please give me a thumbs up and don't forget to comment and share my video. So let's start it. So here I will make this project with 3.0 mm crochet hook. First of all make 83 chains. I will start with 83 chains. 80 plus 83 chains. Skip 3 chains and make 1 double crochet in each. Skip 3 chains and make 1 double crochet in fourth one. Again 1 double crochet in next one. Again more 1 double crochet in next one. So make 1 double crochet in each chains. Repeat the same process and complete this row. 1 double crochet in each chains. Now first round is completed. For second row make 3 chains and 1 double crochet in each. But look at the video, don't make any double crochet from the chain. Insert the hook in double crochet like this. Do as same as I am doing and make 1 double crochet. 1 double crochet from the front side and 1 from the back. So inside the hook from the back side and cover the double crochet and make 1 double crochet in it. Again now make it from the front side. Insert the hook from the front side and make 1 double crochet. Next double crochet will be from the back side, so insert the hook from back side and make 1 double crochet. This work will give a border look to your work. Complete the row. Now for row number 3 make 3 chains. In this round we have to increase 1 double crochet. So make 2 double crochet from the first double crochet, 1 and make 1 more from the same place. Insert the hook again and make 1 double crochet from the same place. Remember, don't make any double crochet from the chain. Insert the hook as I am doing. Now from the back side make 1 double crochet. Make 1 double crochet only. Insert the hook from the back side, cover your double crochet and make 1 double crochet. Now again increase 1 double crochet in next one. From the front side insert the hook and make 2 double crochet at the same place. 1 and 2. In this way, increase 1 double crochet in each front sides double crochet. Make 1 double crochet in back side and 2 double crochet in front side. 1 and 2. Repeat the same process to over the round. So at the end of the round, this is the final look. For round number 4, make 3 chains and 1 double crochet in each. Which double crochet is from back side, make it from back, and which is in front side, make it in front. This one is from back side, so make it from the back. 1. Next one is also in back side because we have increased the double crochet, so make also it in back. Now this one will be from the front side. In this way, 2 double crochet will be from the back side and 1 double crochet will be from the front side. Make 2 double crochet, 1, and this is the next one. Both will be in back side. Now this will be in front side. Only 1 double crochet. Repeat it. Now add your work. So 2 double crochet part will be in front side. There you can see one side there is 2 double crochet. This will be the front side of your work. Make 1 chain and cut the thread. Add the new thread at the same place. So this is the proper look of your neck. Okay, now add the new thread at the same place and make 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Make 5 chains. Skip 2 double crochet and add your work with the third one. Make 1 single crochet. Again 5 chain. Skip 2 double crochet. 1, 2 and make 1 single crochet in the next one. Again 5 chains. Skip 2 double crochet, 1 and 2 and make 1 single crochet in next one. Repeat the same process to over the round. Make 5 chains, skip 2 double crochet and 2 double crochet and make 1 single crochet. Repeat it. At the end of your work, add your work at the starting point. Make 1 single crochet and add it. Now make 2 slip stitch in first chain, 1 and 2 and reach at the midpoint. Again make 5 chains and add your work with the next chain and make 1 single crochet. 5 chains, 1 single crochet in next chain, again 5 chain and 1 single crochet in next chain. So in this way make chain net. Repeat this round and make 1 more round with the same process. So repeat it. Now I have completed my 3 rounds. Make 1 chain, cut the thread and add the green color thread in first chain. Now make 1 more round of chain net. Again make 5 chain. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Add your work with the next chain with single crochet. So make 1 more round with the same process. 4, 5 and add it with the next chain. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Add with the single crochet. Repeat it to over the round. At the end of the round, add your work with the starting point. Make one slip stitch and again make one slip stitch to reach at the midpoint. 3 chains, 1 double crochet and 2 double crochet. So make 3 double crochet in chain 1, 2 and 3 and make 1 double crochet at the joining point where you have made single crochet. Make 1 double crochet in that point. Again 3 double crochet in chain 1, 2 and 3 and make 1 double crochet at single crochet or at the joining point. Again 3 double crochet in chain. So repeat the same process. Make 3 double crochet in chain and 1 double crochet at the joining point. 1 at the joining point. Repeat it to over the round. At the end of the work, add your work with the third chain. Okay, now let's start to separate the armhole. To separate the armhole, I will use tape to measure it. Adjust your work, adjust your neck properly and then use a tape. So here I will take 3 inches in one armhole. If you want to make bigger side, then you take a 3.5 inches or 4 inches. Here I will take 3 inches, set it and use a marker. If I will count the double crochet, then it will be total 17 double crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16 and 17. So there is total 17 double crochet. Use the same process in the next side. Use tape or count the double crochet and use a marker. Count 17 double crochet in the next armhole and use a marker. In this way, armhole will be separated. Now if we measure the front side, then it is 8 inches. You can see 8 inches in front and 8 inches in back. So around the chest it will be total 16 inches. So cut the thread and add it at the marker point where you have used a marker. Add it with that place. Now I have added my thread. So make 3 double crochet and 1 double crochet in next one. In this round you have to make 1 double crochet in each. Make and reach at the next marker point. Now I have my next marker point. Make 1 double crochet at the same double crochet where you have used the marker, and now in back side again make 1 double crochet at the marker point, and now start to make 1 double crochet in each from in the back side. Don't increase any double crochet in this round. Make only 1 double crochet in each double crochet and make 1 double crochet in both sides marker point. In this way your armhole will be separated. Now again make 1 double crochet and reach at the next marker point. Make 1 double crochet at the marker double crochet also, and now add your work with the third chain. again make 3 chains and make 1 double crochet in each. Make 3 to 4 rounds with the same process. Make 1 double crochet in each double crochet and make 3 to 4 rounds. If you want to make 3 rounds, then make, and if you want to make 4 rounds, then make 4 rounds. So this is the front side of my work. Okay, now I have completed my rounds. Here I will cut the thread and use next thread. I will use again cream color thread. Here I will use light color thread to make the base of my frog. Add the thread at any 1 double crochet. Make 4 chain, skip 1 double crochet and make 1 single crochet in next one. Again 1, 2 chains, skip 1 double crochet and make 1 single crochet in next one. Again 2 chains, skip 1 double crochet and make 1 single crochet in next one. Repeat the same process to over the round. Each time make 2 chains, skip 1 double crochet and make 1 single crochet in next one. At the end of the round, add your work with the second chain. Now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Make 5 chains and make 1 double crochet at the same place. So in this way I am increasing 1 double crochet in this place. Okay, now again make 2 chains and 1 double crochet in next single crochet. This is first block. Again 2 chain and 1 double crochet in next one. Second block, and now again increase 1 double crochet. Make 2 chains, 1 double crochet in next single crochet. Again 2 chains and make 1 more double crochet at the same place. So in this way increase 1 double crochet in each 2 blocks. Make 2 blocks and increase 1 double crochet. Again make 2 blocks, 2 chains and 1 double crochet. One time and again 2 chain and 1 double crochet second time. In this way 2 blocks are completed. Again 2 chains and now increase 1 double crochet. Formula of increasing the double crochet will be same. Make 1 double crochet, 2 chain and 1 more double crochet at the same place. So repeat the same process and increase 1 double crochet after 2 blocks. Make 2 chains, 1 double crochet, make 1 block and second block, and then increase 1 double crochet after 2 blocks. Repeat the process and over the round. At the end of the round, make 2 chains and add your work with third chain. Okay, now for round number 3, make 5 chains and make 1 double crochet in next one. In this round you have to increase your double crochet only in sides. This is the round 3, and make 1 double crochet, 1 more double crochet in this place. Increase 1 double crochet, so make 2 chain and make 1 double crochet at the same place. Okay, now only make blocks, 1 blocks in each block. Make 2 chains and 1 double crochet, again 2 chains and 1 double crochet, again 2 chains and 1 double crochet. Don't increase any double crochet in this round. You have to increase your double crochet only in sides. Make 1 double crochet and reach at the other side. So here I have increased 1 double crochet in one side, and now I will increase 1 double crochet in the other side. This is the round number 3, friends. But when you will reach at round number 4, then increase 1 double crochet in front side and 1 double crochet in the back side, but in the mid of the work. In round number 5, again increase 1 double crochet in sides, and in round number 6, increase double crochet in front and back. So in odd number round, increase double crochet only in sides, and even number round, increase double crochet only in front and back. Okay, repeat the same process to over the round and make 6 to 7 rounds. Okay, here I am on the other side of my work. I have increased 1 double crochet in one side, and here I will increase 1 double crochet on the other side. So make 1 double crochet, 2 chains and 1 double crochet again at the same place. This is the other side of my work. And now again make 1 block and complete your round. Remember, in the next round, means round number 4, you have to increase double crochet only in front and back of the frock. So repeat the same process, friends, and make 10 rounds with the same process. Only increase your double crochet in sides and in front and back. So here I have completed my 10 round. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. And each round I have increased 1 double crochet in sides. Just look. In third round, 5th, 7th and 9 and 1 double crochet in front and back, in 4th round, in 6th round, in 8th round and in 10th round. And now this is the proper shape of the frock, and the shape of the frock looks so good. This is the proper shape. So let's start to make the frill of this frock. Add the thread in the first round of cream color. This is the first round, and add your thread in this place. Now make 3 chains and 1 double crochet. This will be 2 double crochet. Now make 2 chain and 2 more double crochet. In this way, make 2 double crochet, 2 chain and 2 double crochet in one block. Again, in next block, do the same process. Insert the hook in next block and make 2 double crochet, 2 chain and 2 double crochet in next one. So in this way, you have to make 2 double crochet, 2 chain and 2 double crochet in each block. Again, in third block, insert the hook in chain. This is the first block. Insert the hook and again make 2 double crochet, 1 and 2, 2 chain and 2 double crochet. Repeat the same process, and at the end of the round, add your work with the third chain. Make 1 single crochet and reach at the 2 chain space. Again 3 chain and 1 double crochet. This will be 2 double crochet, 2 chain and 2 double crochet. So in this round, you have to make 2 double crochet, 2 chain and 2 double crochet only in chain space. You have 2 chain space in each pattern. So make 2 double crochet, 2 chain and 2 double crochet. Do your work only in chain space, friend. Repeat the same process to over the round. This is the round number 2 of the frill. Make 2 double crochet, 2 chain and 2 double crochet in each 2 chain space. At the end of the round, add your work with third chain and start to do work at the same place. Make 1 double crochet, 1 chain, 1 double crochet again and 1 chain. Do it 5 times. This is the third one. Again 1 chain, 4 double crochet, 1 chain and 5th double crochet. Okay. Now add your work between two patterns. This is the space between two patterns. Add it with single crochet and again start to make 1 double crochet, 1 chain 5 times in next 2 chain space. Third double crochet, 4th and 5th. Again add your work between two patterns. Repeat the same process to over the round. Each time make 1 double crochet, 1 chain 5 times in each 2 chain space and add your work between two patterns. So my first frill is ready. Now I will change the thread. Here make 1 chain and cut this thread. To make a second frill, skip one block and add your thread in the next block. Add thread in the third block. This is the third block. Skip the second number block and add it here. For the next frill, add your work with the 5th block, and for the 4th frill add work with the 7th. For 5th number frill add with 9th number, and for the last frill add your work at the last one. Here I will add cream color thread. Process will be same. Make the same frill. Add your thread and make again 2 double crochet, 2 chain and 2 double crochet which you have make in a previous frill. So the design of the frill will not be changed. 3 chains, 1 double crochet, again 2 chains and 2 double crochet. Repeat the same process in each block. Again 2 double crochet, 2 chain and 2 double crochet in next block. So the design of the frill will be same, friends. It will not be changed. You have to only change your thread. Skip each time one block and one round, and then add your work. Change the thread and make the same frill. First round, second round and third round. Each time make 3 rounds and complete your frill. Okay, for frill number 3, add your work with 5th number block. After that add with 7th. After that add your thread with 9th, and at last add your work in last row. So complete it, make the same process and complete your frock. Now I have completed my work and my frock is ready. There is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 frill, and each time I have skipped one block. Skip one block after each frill, and this is the last frill. This is the inner look of this frock, and it is so fine, very good looking and very pretty frock. This is the back side, and I have used one button. You can use one button to join your both side of this neck. So I hope you will like my video. If you like it, then please give me a thumbs up and comment, share my video. I will meet you in my next video. Till then, bye bye, thank you and have a nice day.